G'day lads, today I'm going to show you how I transform these old shoddy table legs into a whole new dining table. I started this project by dismantling all the old components and gluing all the delaminated pieces back together. Then came the removal of the old finish. I used a combination of 40 and 60 grit sanding discs for a speedy removal. After sanding, we brought each table leg over to the drill press to drill a 20mm hole in the original screw locations for plugging later. Now onto the tabletop. I ran each board through the jointer to clean up each edge in preparation for gluing. Each glue joint has three 50 by 8mm dominoes for added strength and stability throughout the glue up process. Once the glue is cured, we roughly cut the circle shape of the top using the bandsaw, then clean up each face and edge with the belt and orbital sanders. To finish the top ready for fit up, we rounded over the edges with a 12mm round bit in the router. Now we're reassembling the leg components and then assembling the leg frame to the top. We then drill our plug dowels out of an offcut of the tabletop to fill the 20mm holes we drilled in the legs earlier. Once the glue is cured again, we simply cut off the exposed plugs and sand to finish. After the final sand to neaten up everything, we move on to finishing. 3 coats of varnish with a little linseed oil mixed in to thin the mixture down just a little bit. And there you go, a set of old, shabby looking table legs turned into a beautiful new looking table. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed and would like to see more videos like this. And for upcoming projects of mine, be sure to check out my Instagram and website. Links in the description below. Cheers!